This lesson focuses on using two variables to solve word problems, and you can use graphing, substitution, or elimination method. Problem 1. A test has 20 questions worth 100 points. The test consists of true-false questions that are 3 points each and multiple choice questions that are worth 11 points each. How many multiple choice questions are on the test? So we have to set up some variables. We're going to let x equal and y equal. So I'm going to let x equal the number of true-false questions. The other variable is the multiple choice questions. So the number of multiple choice questions. Now we're going to set up a system. It's going to be two equations. One of the things we're talking about is the total questions and the total points. So the test has 20 questions. So the first equation is going to look like this. There's so much of true-false plus so many of multiple choice, and they total 20 questions. So the first equation represents the total questions. The next equation is going to represent the total points. And they give us that 3 points are for the true-false, and 11 points are for the multiple choice. So we say 3 times x, which x represents the number of true-false questions, plus 11 times y, which represents the number of multiple choice questions, and they're going to total 100 points on the test. So the second equation represents the total points. So now we have a linear system that we can solve by using substitution method, elimination, graphing. Most students tend to, at this point, like elimination method. So I'm going to go ahead and rewrite this system again. X plus y equals 20. And then 3x plus 11y equals 100. And we're going to solve this equation set by elimination method. If we add these two equations as they are, no variable is going to eliminate. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to try to eliminate the x's. So I'm going to multiply all of the purple top equation terms by -3. So here's what we get. -3x and -3y and -60. So we're distributing through -3 to all of those terms. Now the second equation below in our system is just going to stay as it is. So 3x plus 11y equals 100. So now let's go ahead and add those two equations together. Notice a positive 3x and a negative 3x cancel out. Now we're going to go ahead and add negative 11y, or negative 3y plus 11y gives us 8y, and then negative 60 plus 100 is 40. What we've done is we've eliminated the x variable. We're going to now solve it for y. So we're going to divide both sides by 8. And we get y equals 5. Do you remember what y represents? We head up to the top. Y represents the number of multiple choice questions. Now, using elimination method to continue, we're going to choose one of the equations from the original system. I'm going to just choose this one because there's no multipliers in front. So I say x plus y equals 20. Now we're going to substitute that 5 in for y. So x plus 5 equals 20. We're going to solve it for x. So we'll subtract 5 from both sides. We get x equals 15. So therefore, 15 represents the number of true-false questions. So there are 15 true-false questions and 5 multiple choice questions.